So first of all, thank you all and your parents for becoming a part of the Nayak's family. So I would like to thank all your parents. It's because they decided that this is the right place for our children. You all are here. So I'd like to thank them first. And then all of you, my dear children, for being here and giving us some place in your heart. So thank you so much. As you know, 13th October 2000 was the year when we started. So 13th October 2024, well, just last month, it was the 24th anniversary. So we finished 24 years. And this year, it is going to be the 25th year. So we are into the 25th year. So understand, all of you are a part of Nayak's tutorials in this super year, in this important year, the Silver Jubilee year. That is the time when you all are a part of Nayak's tutorials. And now, because we are in this 25th year, all of you are going to get a small gift from our side. Everyone, every student who is in the 8th standard, every student who is in the 9th standard, whichever board you are, CBSE, SSE, ICSE, you all will get a small gift from us. So each one of you is going to get a gift from us. But then, before you take the gift, you need to understand the responsibility of being a family member of this great family. I hope you have understood that. And now, let's go on to the gift. But then, for knowing what is the gift, here we go. Can we have the countdown? So here the countdown begins.
A big round of applause for the launch of the official t-shirt of Nayak's tutorials and all the performance. I hope you all liked the gift. Let's have a closer look at the t-shirt. So here, as you all can see, in the front, there is a message that says, I dare, I dream, I can, I will. Now, I can and I will signifies the positive attitude, the courage, and the determination that we inculcate in the students. And you can also see a small logo here of Nayak's tutorials, very close to your heart. On the sleeves, you will find Nayak's tutorials written. And on the back, there is a message that says, Nayakites are dynamites. Now, dynamites is a word of Greek origin that means power. Every person that wears this t-shirt will signify the power that we have within all of us. We all would expect and we all would hope that you all wear this t-shirt with respect, wear it with responsibility, wear it with pride and dignity,